In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to sell your designs on Canva and start earning passive income. Open canva.com and ensure you are logged into your account. In a new tab, search for Canva Creators or visit the official Canva Creators page. Click on Become a Creator to start the process of joining Canva's marketplace. Then click on Create for a marketplace like no other to proceed. Select the type of content you create like designs, templates, and click Continue. Choose your design skill such as social media, presentations, or photo creations and click Continue again. Specify your level of expertise like beginner, intermediate, senior, and continue. Enter your areas of interest and your goals such as earning passive income, building a portfolio, contributing to Canva's content library. Provide a portfolio URL or link to your design work like personal website or Behance portfolio. Fill in additional details, country of residence, language proficiency. Share a brief description of your design experience in the provided box. Check the boxes to agree to Canva's privacy policy and terms of use, then click Submit. After submission, you'll see a confirmation message thanking you for applying. Canva will review your application and notify you via email if accepted. If approved, you may need to complete a short training to learn how to design for Canva's platform. Once accepted, you can begin uploading your designs to Canva's marketplace, earn royalties as users engage with your templates and designs. By following these steps, you can easily become a Canva creator and start selling your designs in just a few steps.